Hey guys, it's me Logan from the Zach Show. Yep, we're back. It's been about a month since we uploaded our most recent video. But yep, we're here. We're in some kind of cabin place. We're on vacation. Somewhere in Wisconsin. Fucking landed the cheeseheads. And, well, Will's just being lazy, as always. This is... Sure.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Just go on with the intro. Go on.
But dude, like...
Go on.
Well, anyway, we're here. We're probably going to video started up here, so we're going to keep going with our regular schedule. Starting this Wednesday. It's been kind of hectic, but yeah, things are going to start happening. And
Stupid bitch. God damn, you're so bad at Call of Duty.
dude, shut up, man. Y'all have to be so freaking mean to me all the time.
Why are you crying? Clean the sand out of your vagina.
What the hell does that even mean?
Oh, whatever. I have to go take a fucking shit.
How long's that gonna take?
15 minutes. Why?
No reason. God.
Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my God.
Oh! Oh, it's bad. Excuse me, kids. I need to run. I got. Okay, can somebody give me some paper towels? Or maybe a. Okay. Oh, it's bad.
Well, what the hell is he doing? Never mind. I guess I have time for this.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh keep going,
Oh, yeah, scissor. Yeah, scissor me, Allison.
What the I knew you had a vagina, too. I just told you to get the sand out of your vagina.
Damn it! You broke it. Well,
I broke it. You dropped it on your sandy vagina.
it's a Dyson Vacuum Cleaner. It's supposed to help me out a little bit, you know what I mean? And now it's
Fresh.
all jacked up. Thanks a lot, asshole.
You're stupid.
Well, whatever. It's fine. This battery's shorted out. Do you think you can, like, you know, get me some more? Like,
Fuck you.
my Vaginal Cleanser!
Go.
Now, Will's gone. How do I get my Vaginal Cleanser working again? Oh crap, it works!
Turbo mode activated.
So fucking hard to kill somebody with a fucking cookie paper. Guess I'll just play some Wii Sports.
Turbo mode activated.